Part 6. Light on. Oh, you can't see it. Poor thing. Ooh, later. 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 Hello. It's me. Hi. I wonder if Felicia will come in. This is part 6, is it? I wonder if Felicia will come in the upstairs bathroom like she did last time. She's always in the upstairs bathroom doing her makeup. She's probably like watching makeup tutorials, which is actually just putting a bunch of lipstick all over your face, which makes her red face all the time. Soap? You want some soap? No, this is water. This is the real soap. This is the good stuff. It's the toilet! You want to see inside? Okay, maybe. No, you don't. You don't. You don't. You don't. You don't. Disgusting. I'm standing on the toilet. Hope I don't fall in the sewers and get flushed down. Because I'm so small. Oh, actually, no, I'm not small. You can see outside. You can see my bin. Ooh. Look at this. Look at this. This. Ah. Look at this. And give me the chills. It stinks as well. I'll see you in part 7, I think.